Looking for a way to capture your kiddo's world through their eyes? Kidamento is here to help. With their kid-friendly digital cameras, your little ones can snap away, creating memories that last a lifetime. It's the perfect sidekick for every adventure, big or small. So why wait? Join us on a journey filled with wonder and excitement. Imagine sparking your little one's creativity and imagination from an early age. That's the magic Kidamento cameras bring. These aren't just any ordinary kiddie cameras, though. They're specially designed to nurture your child's inner artist and photographer. With Kidamento's model lineup, including C, V, K, and P, you can choose the perfect camera tailored to your kid's age and interests. But no matter which one you go for, get ready to watch their eyes light up with wonder. Let's talk about the Model C first, which is an ideal pick for your youngest snappers. Wrapped in a sturdy food-grade silicone case, it's ultra-lightweight and fits tiny hands like a dream. No need to fear drops or tumbles. This little guy is built tough to withstand endless playtime adventures. Your junior camcorder extraordinaire will go wild for Model V's unique airplane design. The built-in selfie camera and big 2-inch screen with easy access buttons make capturing priceless moments an absolute breeze. But if you've got a budding Ansel Adams on your hands, Model K could be the best choice. Delivering professional quality photos and videos on a big HD touchscreen, it still keeps things kid-friendly with that signature shock-proof silicone case. For the Polaroid-loving crowd, Model P is where the real magic happens. Forget pricey instant film. This nifty camera lets you snap, print, and cherish memories lickety-split. Of course, it doubles as a stellar digital shooter too. No matter which model catches your child's fancy, one thing's for sure. Kidamento is putting the fun back into photography for the youngest set. Gone are the days of dry technical manuals and confusing settings. These cameras are truly made with little hands and minds in mind. Just pick it up, press a button, and voila. They're capturing the world through their unique lens. With features like autofocus, color balance, and exposure settings, Kidamento gives kids all the tools to build confidence behind the camera. But don't think for a second, these are mere baby's first camera toys. With continuous shooting mode, creative filters, frames, and self-timer settings, Kidamento has everything a professional photographer could want. These are heirloom quality keepers, not your typical blurry blobsicles. Just check out the stellar sample shots from 3 to 5-year-old Kidamento users. Part of what makes the photos so incredible are those 20-plus built-in filters, frames, and stickers. You never know what artistic magic they'll create until you see the outcome. Grab the Through My Lens activity book to inspire their creativity even further. Of course, cameras are only half the fun with Kidamento. The Model P's instant printer puts the squeals into squeals of delight. No wasteful pricey film here. Each camera comes loaded with an affordable roll of 10-year quality thermal paper that prints up to 70 vibrant images. And like everything about Kidamento, they've really thought of it all convenience-wise too. That cute neck strap? It doubles as a charging and data transfer cable. Just plug and snap. No extra accessories to lug around and inevitably lose. Safety is also a top priority, as you'd expect from a kid-centric brand. The cameras are made from child-safe ABS plastic with a velvety soft finish. That irresistibly squishy silicone case adds massive drop protection with zero sharp edges. But it's not just rugged on the outside. The displays are pure quality too. While other toy cameras cheap out with low-res LCDs, every Kidamento flaunts a vibrant IPS touchscreen. That means zero color washing, ultra-wide viewing angles, and way less eye strain for your precious photographers. When you invest in Kidamento, you're giving your children a gift that keeps on giving. The ability to see and capture the world's beauty through their unique perspective. No mindless video games here, just tools to spark their creativity and curiosity from day one. So that's all about Kidamento, your children's favorite memory maker. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.